So in this video, let us see what is pivot element. So pivot element is the quick short, is basically pivot element in quick short. In quick short is the element that is selected as the boundary value for participating or for the partition. This is basically pivot element. Now basically quick short sorts all the elements that is in the left and in the right that is the right of the pivot element recursively, and pivot element or pivot key, or let me highlight this, pivot key is basically the element which is from which the element of the quick sort are divided into two parts. So this is regarding the pivot elements. So hope you understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video.